Today, I'm gonna show you how to get crispy audio fast. Bumper. Hey guys, Sidney Diongzon here, and today is Quick Tips, which is a series that I'm doing every Friday, or every other Friday, I haven't decided yet. Every Friday where I get to share a filmmaking tip with you guys so that you can apply it for the weekend ahead. Now I'm gonna show you how to do it in Premiere Pro, but one of the first things that you have to do first and foremost to get crispy audio is having good mic placement. Now whether that's a lav mic or a boom mic, which I have right over here, good mic placement is about having the mic as close as possible to the subject's mouth without the mic being in frame, or at the very least without it being too distracting from the shot. But that's a video for another time. Let's just assume that you've already filmed your video and now you're ready to get some crispy audio in Premiere Pro. Actually, let's do this. So to show you how easy and fast this method is to getting good crispy audio, we're gonna time the whole thing. And so I'm gonna time how fast I can do it, and then I'm gonna break it down showing you how to get crispy audio. And so here we go. Here's a timer, and autofocus, and boom. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is audio test, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I have the Rode VideoMic Pro Plus, 6 inches. Over here, booming over my head, and we are inside my YouTube studio. It's just a normal room, and here we go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Boom, under 1 minute. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, N, N, O, P. Crispy audio. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you how I did it. So the first thing that I wanted to do was to get healthy audio levels, which is why I wanted to choose a compressor. In this instance, I chose multi-band compressor. In this compressor, I chose a preset, in this case, broadcast. The reason why I chose broadcast is because I knew that it would bring my audio levels at a broadcast standard. It's definitely better than raising the volume, because sometimes if you bring the volume too high, you get that hiss that comes along with it. Next, EQ. So I chose parametric equalizer because it's a good visual representation of the audio frequencies. So what I did here is I grabbed the center point and I raised it up. And as I play back my clip, I just moved that point all across the frequencies to see which frequencies sounded bad. Whatever frequency sounded bad, I just simply lowered it to about -6 or -10 dB. You can also increase or decrease the width of that point. Obviously, the wider that point is, the more frequencies you bring down, and the more narrow your point is, the less frequencies you bring down so that you can actually target a specific frequency. And the last thing that I do to create that crispiness in my audio is that I actually raise the frequency at 20,000 kilohertz. I raised that to about 20 dB, and to prevent that sibilant sound, I actually lowered the frequency at about 19,000 kilohertz so that it creates this nice little curve. And that's pretty much it. You know what, for funsies, let's do it again, but with a different clip and see if I can beat that time. Okay, here we go. 47 seconds is what I have to beat. Okay, here we go. Let's reset. On your mark, get set, go. Okay, here we go. Okay. Okay, this is the audio test. This is outdoors. Okay, this is the audio test. We are outside on a semi-busy street, and so you're gonna hear some cicadas out in the trees. You're gonna hear cars passing by, and we're just gonna check out the audio. Boom. Woo! 33 seconds, baby. Woo! Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Wow, I'm really good at that. Now, for you audio engineers out there, don't hate on this video. I'm sure there is a much better way to get good audio, but this method works for me and it's easy for me. But go ahead and try it out. See if this method works for you. If there is a better way to get good audio, then let us all know in the comments below. Let's make this a community that learns from each other and helps each other out. But that's it for me. That is today's quick tips. It's Friday, the weekend is here. Take these tips, apply it for your stories, make some crispy audio. Go out there, tell some awesome stories, and I will see you in the next video.